Hey guys, welcome to Gen C. Today, RM02, which is a single channel DC wireless, range of 50 feet plus, is a guaranteed almost 100 feet because I've tested it over 75. Comes with two remotes. I have it connected actually to these wheel lights that I'm using here using a power supply. And I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on how it's wired. So here is the actual box. Red and black, white, black, blue. So the blue is the antenna, so you're not going to connect anything to the blue. Red and black, and it doesn't matter which one of these two blacks because they're both ground. Just basically when you take a red and a black, which basically are these two right here, applied power to this one, ground to this one, that's basically power coming in. So that would come in basically from the car battery. And then you're going to have basically one output, which is whatever you're going to connect to it, which is basically white is the power, and then the other black is basically the ground. So I connected the power, which is the white, to the power wire of my wheel lights, and then the ground I also connected to the ground of the wheel lights as well. And that's basically it. I mean, it's a really simple installation, and it comes with two remotes, and I'm going to show you guys real quick how far. So the warehouse that we have is about 75 feet from wall to wall. So we're going to go all the way here on the opposite side. I'm not even going to pull out the antenna. And I'm going to see here. Oh, let me go here. Opposite this way. So wheel lights over there. So I'm going at an angle, so it'll probably be somewhere around 85, maybe 90 feet. And the antenna is sitting inside the box, so we don't have actual direct line of sight either. On, off. And also, I don't even have this antenna up. So this is definitely at least 85 feet away, and as you can see, it's instant action.